Hello, I'm dancing. I have a flashlight in my mouth, and now I'm dancing with my only friend. Oh no! I'm just alone, and I have a flashlight in my mouth, and we're just nice friends. Shut up! Who am I? I'm just walking with my newspaper. Come on, it's too hot. I need an icy or ice cream that has coffee in it. Yes, I go take it now. Oh, a child. No, I'm not a lady. So I take it first. Hey, take a first order. Let's see. 1, 5, 4, 6, 8, 9, 5. No coffee. Right here, right now, right here. But you gotta pay first. Seems like I'm rich. But I don't have my wallet. So give me your wallet. No, I would not like a wallet. Yes, your wallet. Oh, thank you. Come on, let me spit on you now. La, I'm watering the grass. Oh, I've got my wallet. Dude, I got my wallet. Oh, that's the kid. I have got my wallet, so can you give it back to me? No, you go first. Wait, no, I'm gonna be hired. No. Okay, dude, let's just talk this out. Wait, I remember you. You're one of the naughty kids that ain't nice. But down here, run. Oh, come on, give my coffee back. Hey, I like coffee. Okay, here. Hey, I like coffee now with sprinkles on top. Actually, the fish on the side. Wait, no, top. Oh, here's your coffee with fish. Hey, I've got my wallet, dude. Hey, no. You're not gonna pay. Ever. Never ever again. But I remember you from school. Come on. Fine, I'll name this restaurant I Eat Beans. Okay? Oh, it's time to make my own coffee. Like I did on school. While teaching the children. And it looked just like this. Now open the window and open the door, and I will open this door. Oh, it's time. Let's just get a cup of tea and then place coffee in it. Here's your coffee, little mouse. And now I'll add the sprinkles on top. And now I'll add the tomato and mustard and into the gas. Oh, I like coffee. Oh, you want coffee? Oh, no, never in your life. No, please, give me coffee. Okay, no. Then pay $1,000. Okay. I like $1,000 because I'm a cat. A fat cat. Come on, I like coffee. Okay, here you go. Here's $1,000. Okay, thank you. Do it's our time to make coffee. Let's see. Wait, no, this can't be possible. Oh, die. Seems like the coffee is gone. Seems like I need hot chocolate. Oh no, he's gonna make hot chocolate. Oh no, he's gonna spill hot chocolate on me. What can I do? No. This can't be possible. We're making coffee of waters. Okay, it's time to light the car. Wait, oh no, oh my good Ivy, it's gone. Let us make some coffee. Come on, how does he remember? The ice cream factory. It's time to make my evil plan. Okay, let's do my evil plan now. There, now it's time to make my evil plan for my master, the ice cream ghost of summer's past. Come on! He's a boy. At least he's filthy eights. Like 88. Dude. He's coming. He's gonna spill on chocolate on me. Oh no! Come on, I gotta summon my master and then defeat him again. Then I'll be the real hero. Who'd be in history? Books, comic books, a superhero, and I have a six-pack. Come on, let's just make coffee. Ha 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 ha. It's time. Yes, and then the last stick. Finger stick. Oh, you didn't pay. Come back here. You got ketchup on me and mustard. Leave me alone. Run and fall, and I'll get more mustard. Come on, come back here, mister. Oh. Seems like you're Batman. You're not Batman. You're actually Superman. I hate Superman. Ha 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 ha. You'll never catch me. Come on, I'm calling the police. Come back here. Why, there is now bad poop here. Come on! Just a little further. I won't die. I won't die. Oh, good gravy is not here. Now my coffee's gone. Now I need to eat the coffee instead of drink it. Let's just check what this Jackson. What, I thought he was a crazy person, but he gave me money. He seems like he is 88. Let's just follow this coffee trail. Come on, Scrubby, scrub! Oh no, he's found me! Oh my good gravy! Oh, what is Alva doing? She's right here! Oh no! This is not. I give him this. Then give him coffee. Oh, hello, Alva. Hello, Mrs. Weeps. Hey, Bean. Here's your beans. He sent me to bring beans to you. Come on, goodbye. Now forever. Phew. Now I'm done. Ha ha ha. Will I like this bean? Oh, thank you, Bean. Oh, no! Sorry, it's all mine. No, no, it's gone.